All right, ready to make some powerful positive changes?
Yes, please.
Good, good. Okay, so Jen, I'm just going to get you to start off by just continuing to look at me, but shift your eyes so they're looking up at the ceiling. And just find a spot there. And just stare at that spot. Keep focusing on that spot. Focus, focus, focus. Keep staring at that spot on the ceiling. Just keep focusing, 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 staring at that spot. And you might notice your eyes start to flutter, and that's perfectly okay. Keep staring at that spot as the hypnosis slowly comes down and hits the back of your eyes. And you might feel your eyelids feeling heavier, and that's perfectly okay. And just continuing to focus and just feeling the weight of those eyelids getting heavier and heavier and heavier. And you may choose to close your eyes or not. It's perfectly up to you. That's right. Good, good, good. And just allow that hypnosis now to hit the back of your eyes and slowly trickle down to the back of your neck, down your shoulders, just allowing that warm hypnosis, that warm liquid sunshine to start flowing and permeating every part of your body. And feeling the muscles around your eyes loose, limp, and heavy, tight, 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 glued together, stuck together. Feeling the weight of your eyelids heavy, glued together, stuck together, and the muscles around your eyes loose, limp, and heavy. And we could try to test it. You can try to open your eyes, give it a try to test it, and you might find it's just not worth it. That's right, completely relaxed. And now I'm going to count you down, and you can count with me in your head, starting at 300, counting backwards. 299, 298, 297. And you'll notice now the hypnosis all the way through your body, from the top of your head, relaxing the muscles between your eyebrows. That's right, continuing to count, noticing the hypnosis now, softening your jaw, allowing your shoulders to feel heavy, sinking further and further down. And the more you hear my voice, the more relaxed you feel. And the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. Feeling the hypnosis now warming up your chest, allowing every muscle to relax, going just under your chest in the solar plex area, an area we tend to keep a lot of tension, just relaxing that area completely, softening every muscle, allowing the hypnosis now, that comfortable hypnosis, to hit your stomach, softening the area in your stomach, that warm, comfortable, peaceful hypnosis, moving down past your hips, down your legs, feeling that warm liquid sunshine, relaxing your body, sinking into the chair, deeper and deeper and deeper into the chair, and feeling that hypnosis now dropping down your legs, down the top of your legs, past your knees, feeling that warm liquid sunshine down your calves to your feet, and feeling the weight of your body just dropping into the floor, going deeper and deeper and deeper now, and going 10% deeper, 20% deeper, 30% deeper, 40% deeper, 50% deeper, 70% deeper, 80% deeper, 90% deeper, 100% deeper than you've ever gone before. That's right. And just imagine, only imagine now, going to a mystical, magical place, a place where you can make powerful, positive changes. Just allow yourself now, be there now in that mystical, magical place. A place where you feel good, you feel safe, you feel warm and comfortable. Just imagine, only imagine now going to that mystical, magical place now. That's right. And just imagine, only imagine now, letting go of all the negative files, letting go of all the negativity, all those thoughts, feelings, images, emotions, sensations that have been installed since you were a little girl. Just let them go now. Just imagine, only imagine now, all the guilt, the pain, the anger, the frustration, all that guilt, anger, pain, frustration. Just imagine, only imagine now, letting go of all the anger, frustration, guilt, letting it all go now. Just let it all go. Letting go of all the negative files from the last few minutes, the last few hours, the last few days, the last few weeks, last few months, last few years. Let it all go now. That's right. Let it go. Just imagine, only imagine now, the powerful, powerful you, Jen, the powerful subconscious, letting go of all that negativity that's been piling up and weighing you down, just letting it all go now. Just imagine all that negativity that's been piling up. Just imagine, only imagine now, all those negative files being deleted, shredded, dragged out, pulled out, yanked out. Just imagine, only imagine now, letting it all go now. Let it go. Just let it all go. That's right. Just let it all go now. Let it go. That's right. Let it go. Letting go of all the anger, all the shame, all the hurt, all the frustration. Letting go of all that pain. Letting go of all that negative, negative, negative stuff. all that garbage that's been piled up, all the pain, anger, frustration, shame, guilt. Let it all go now. Let it go. Just let it all go. That's right. And when you've done enough for now, and you'll know when you've done enough, and only when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes and feel fantastic. See anything interesting? Any feelings, images, thoughts, emotions, sensations? Anything come up for you, Jen? And you don't have to tell me. You don't have to tell me what they are, but
Yeah.
some stuff you haven't seen in a while.
Yeah.